There's no such a thing in life as failing unless you fail to learn a lesson. I believe that you went home, you contested like my father did. You're both in the same shoes because he did not succeed to a second term. It was a tough election. I'm sure that you're a better politician now than you were maybe 2 years ago, out of the experience, because they say that you're only a failure if you fail to learn the lessons. And that's why I believe that the next time you're going to contest, you're going to do much better. Martin Luther King, in 1957, in Montgomery, Alabama, he said that life's most persistent and most urgent question is, what are you doing for others? And for me, that's the best way I can say the reason why I support Mheshimiwa Nyangenya. Nyangenya, when he came to solicit for our support, let me say that 5 years ago, if you asked me who he was, I would not have told you who he was. But right now, I count him to be one of my best friends because I came to like the man that Nyangenya is. He's a man that is out to make a difference. What Martin Luther King meant is that the moment that you stop thinking about yourself and you think about the community, then you've really understood what life is all about. Most of us are here in America probably just pursuing something for ourselves or maybe for our families. But there's a few individuals that go beyond that call to say that, you know what, there's a community back in Africa, in Kenya, in Kisii, that I left behind. And they give of themselves, they sacrifice. Nyangenya, I'm sure you did a lot of overtime to go and contest for the seat. And I'm sure you are not doing it for yourself, but because you felt that you needed to make a difference in your community. So for that, we want to commend you. We want to tell you that you are not done. I personally have told you that I believe that one time, and very soon you're going to be a member of parliament in Kenya. And sometimes I even dream bigger than you being a member of parliament, maybe a governor of Kisii County. So I want you to tell you that do not give up on your dream. My father contested, I think, 2 times before he was successful. So what you're going through is a very common thing. You're going to spend a lot of money. People are going to lie to you. I'm sure you experienced all that. Some of the most loyal people, even the governor of Kisii that we thought was behind you, we came to learn that it's just a game of politics. But I think, like I said, you're a better politician now, and next time you go, you're going to do better. And for the community, like one of us said here, let's support our people. Anybody who gives of themselves to go contest back home, they're taking a big sacrifice. They take time from their jobs. So the best we can do, if we believe that the life we've experienced here in America can be replicated in Kenya, is by supporting one of us, because they understand what good governance is all about. The reason why we have good governance here, we have good highways, good roads, and the system works, it's because of integrity. And we want people with integrity to go back to Kenya and lead our country. Asante sana for the opportunity, and we'll continue to pray for you, that God blesses you. And I believe one day I'll be visiting you in Parliament as the Member of Parliament from Bwomanga.